Yeah, pass me a bite.
Yeah.
Have a shot.
Yeah, here, have a shot. Alright guys. That was funny as fuck.
I wish I caught the first one on camera.
Heck, you're right, just whiskey from the rat. Hey. Oh, you fuck. You got some shit in your thing.
Pull it off.
Yep, pull it off. Can I clean your bike today?
What?
Can I clean your bike?
Nah.
Huh?
It doesn't have dirt on it. It's not a dirt bike.
Oh my god. You're hitting it again with the puns. Look at that footwork. Look at that footwork. Go boy! Go, go, go! Yeah! Yeah!
Fucking crusty demon!
Fuck you, hey.
Fuck! I almost fell off!
It's scary as shit.
I just booted it. Did you see me boot it?
Yeah, you were just like, bat!
Also, I just booted it.
Bat!
Oi.
Yo.
I'm gonna start the bike up and make sure she still goes.
Make sure that baby does. Sure you just booted out of here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up, grab the spade,
Yeah, I'll
and
grab
then
the
go
spade.
grab the tapes.
Yeah.
Oh, heads up, if you watch this video, please don't try it at home, because we are professional kids that learn and do this every single day.
Yeah. Basically, the first time I did it was, yeah, I was throttled it. It was freaking funny.
Get the first bit, because when he fucking took off, he wheel standed.
I just did whiskey throttled. I almost fell over. Yeah, I'll carry this one.
Boot it, so we booted it. Hunter,
I was like,
get
bat!
the tape.
Oh shit, yeah. We are professional kids, totally professional. Do not do this, it's the home. The home. These are not tight, eh? They know that, we've touched it, eh? Because